All right, Harmony Science Academy 6th grade math students, we're looking at our CBA 5 review still, okay? A lot is coming to surface. One thing is what we're asked to teach you guys isn't really fair in terms of the way it's tested on the CBA, so I'm going to pick up on that. I'm going to adjust, but just so you guys know, you've been placed in an unfair advantage. Now we're going to fix this, okay? For example, this question was missed by most students, okay, in all of 6th grade. So let's go and just get into the problem, solve it, and then we're gonna start giving you guys opportunities in the future to start really preparing for the CBAs, okay? Anyways, Alicia received utility bill $90. This number represents 12% of her weekly income. Find the weekly income, okay? So basically, this is your algebra already, okay? And don't let that intimidate you. This is pretty easy stuff. So let me show you, and then we'll talk a little further in class, okay? So if you read this, basically, there's something like this, right? You always turn the English into math. So it's 12%, okay, of her weekly income. We're getting very comfortable using N, right? It's just an unknown number, right? Her weekly income equals $90, okay? Now, with word prompts, it's always important to know what N is, okay? So you don't make silly mistakes. So N is the weekly income. Now, you can be sloppy and not include this, but since you guys are in the beginning stages, make sure you do that. Hey, what is N? Okay? So anyways, we can set this up this way, right? You guys know how to turn percents into fractions, so that's not a problem. Okay. Now, what's happening here, okay, is that we have N being multiplied, all right? So there's a couple of things we can do here, but we definitely want N isolated, okay? So what I'm gonna have us do is multiply by the reciprocal, okay? Now this might look really advanced, but the fact that you can apply it very easy is what you want to focus on, okay? Now, notice that the 100 divided by the 100 will cancel, and the 12 divided by the 12 will cancel, so this disappears, okay? So we're left with N equals this up here, which is 9 and 3 zeros, 9,000, over 12. And once you divide it out, you get 12 goes into 97, which leaves 6. Bring down the zeros, 60. Goes in perfectly, and we're left with this. N equals $750 of weekly income, okay? So again, this is going to be very important. You guys go ahead and put that in your notebooks. And moving forward, the important thing for you to know is I'm going to make sure you get practice on this, and we're going to get a lot better prepared for future CBAs, okay? Thanks for your time.